In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It truly helps to keep our community growing, and you won't miss out on future tutorials that can enhance your experience with Beehiiv. Now, let's dive right in. Beehiiv is a fantastic platform for building newsletters and blogs, and one of the exciting aspects of it is how customizable it is, including font options. Fonts can significantly impact your content's look and feel, creating a more engaging and appealing experience for your readers. So let's make your newsletter stand out. To start changing the font in Beehiiv, you'll first want to log into your Beehiiv account. Once you've entered your dashboard, navigate to the Settings menu. This is typically located on the left-hand side of the interface. Just click on it to open up a drop-down of additional options. Once you're in the settings, you'll want to look for a section labeled Design or something similar. This is where all the magic happens regarding the appearance of your newsletters. Click on that, and you'll be presented with various customizable options, including colors, layout, and yes, fonts. Now, focus on the font options. You might see a list or a drop-down that shows the current font being used in your newsletters. Depending on how Beehiiv is set up, you might have default options available, or perhaps a custom font upload function. Scrolling through the available fonts will help you get a sense of which one resonates with your brand's voice and the message you want to convey through your content. If you find a font you like, simply select it. You may also have the option to adjust the font size, style, and weight. Experimenting with these settings can be very beneficial. For instance, if your newsletter involves a lot of headlines or featured articles, you might want a bold font for those sections while keeping the body text more readable. After selecting your preferred font, ensure to preview it. Most platforms like Beehiiv offer a preview option that allows you to see how your newsletter will appear to your subscribers. Take the time to view this, because seeing the font in action can sometimes lead you to reconsider your initial choices. You might find that a font looks fantastic on a design page, but isn't as readable when it comes to longer paragraphs. Once you are happy with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. There should be a Save button at the bottom or top of the settings page. It's an easy step to skip, but if you navigate away without saving, all your hard work could be in vain. Now let's talk a bit about consistency. While changing fonts can be a fun way to freshen up your newsletter's look, it's essential to ensure you're not overdoing it. Keeping a consistent font style across different issues helps in building your brand identity, creating familiarity with your readers. You might choose 2 or 3 fonts at most, one for headings, one for body text, and possibly a third for any specific highlights or quotes. Finally, after you've made your selections and saved your changes, send yourself a test email. This is a simple yet effective practice to see how the changes you've made translate in an actual email format. Check how the fonts appear on both desktop and mobile. It's super important because a lot of your readers might access your newsletters on their phones. And there you go. You've successfully changed the font in your Beehiiv account. Remember, a well-chosen font can elevate your content, capturing the attention of your audience and enhancing their reading experience. Keep experimenting until you find the perfect fit for your style, and don't hesitate to come back to this video for a refresher if you need it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful insights into Beehiiv and other platforms. And don't forget to like the video if you found this information valuable.